morning, everyone. You are back in my kitchen, and thank you all for everything. Just love you guys, and I enjoy doing this. And I'll see how this thing keeps going. But anyway, today I'm going to make some butter cookies, one of Perry's favorite things. And I got my new KitchenAid here to give me a hand. Um, my cookies have a little different kinds of flavoring in it, so they're really pretty tasty. And it's nearly the holidays, and if it's not the holidays, it doesn't matter because butter cookies are good all the time. So I just want to show you guys how I do this. Been doing this for weeks now, so I'm gonna do this one more time. All right. So what I have is 2 sticks of butter. It should be room temperature. And I gotta tell you, I just remembered to take it out. So I popped it in the microwave about 20 seconds. And that's what I got right here. So we put the 2 sticks of butter in the mixer. There's one, and that's two. This is one batch. What I'll do is put my ingredients at the bottom, and you guys can see how much I use. I'm gonna turn it on just to get the stir, get it going. Very nice. So it's doing its thing, and I have 2/3 cups of sugar right here, and I'm gonna add it to it right now. And we creaming this. That's what we're doing. We're gonna cream it. So to cream this, it takes about 5 minutes. I'm going to scrape the bowl a little bit, and after a few minutes, you guys will see what creaming looks like. So I'll be back, or you'll see this as it goes through. But it's gonna take a good 5 minutes. Okay, so it's been creaming for like 5 minutes, and I stopped the bowl and I scraped it. I could put my scraper on, just didn't this time. So I scraped the bowl, and I'm gonna scrape it down again. And when it's cream, it should look like frosting. I always say that. It looks like frosting, and I'm gonna take a little out the bowl. I'm using Mevo camera today, so that's what it looks like when it's creamed correctly. So when it looks like that inside the bowl, you're in the right track. Okay. Next thing I want to do is add the flavoring. I'm gonna add some almond, probably like a half a teaspoon of this almond paste. There you go. 2 drips, good enough. Then we're going to add some vanilla bean paste. The paste is very good to use in baking cookies and things like that. It's a good, it makes your baking come out a lot better. So I use that, and I use the vanilla extract, and I use the almond extract. So I'm going to put about the same, about teaspoon of vanilla in here, and about the same with the almond. A little bit of almond in there, and that is that. Now I'm going to get it back going, but as it mixes in a little bit, you need to sift 2 cups of flour. So I'm going to show you what I'm doing there while this is going off for a little bit. Let's let that go. So that's mixing in the flavorings, and then what you do is you take a sifter. I mean, this is a colander basically, and you just put the flour in and you just hit it with your hand because it's easier to me that way. When you have arthritis and stuff like that, you're getting older, you just can't do that kind of stuff like that anymore. So this is cool and it's fast. So you just sift the flour like that, and now you're waiting till it gets all in there, and it looks pretty good in there. Actually, let me pull it down a little bit. This new mixer of mine is much bigger than my old one, and you got to get down in the bowl if you're only making like one batch of this stuff. Now I'm likely to make 2 or 3 batches, but today I'm just making one. So I'm gonna get down in here and scrape it all down. Just let it go one more time. Upsy daisy. Let's go. All right. Good enough. What I'm doing is turning it down because now I'm about to put in the flour slowly. So you get all this flour in slowly. That's all you're doing. When we get that mixed in, I'm going to turn it up just a little. That can turn into dough. There we go. Let's turn it into dough. Put it right on. Let's turn it into dough. Basically, doing good. I'm going to give it a kick up for a minute just to get it all together. And it's dough because it's turning. It's coming up off the sides and it's turning into dough. So we got cookie dough, and that's all we want. Perfect. That's it. That's all we need. We have cookie dough. It's that simple. It's just a couple of ingredients. You can use as many flavorings or whatever as you like, or don't. You have to use some flavoring, but use whichever ones you want, whichever ones you have. Just use them and make yourself some sugar, some butter cookies. So here we go. Now, it's as simple as that. My little other wire out the way. And I have a cookie sheet. And I put some parchment paper on my cookie sheet. And I also have a little ice cream scoop. So that's what we're doing. I'm going to take a scoop of it. That's the size I want. That's a scoopful. There we go. And we're going to put it right there. Okay, that's all we're doing. So we'll have some little cookies today. They could be bigger than this. But, make them the size you like. Today I'm going to make them a little smaller than I made them before. Probably take these to work, give them to the girls. Okay, I scooped them out. Let's see how many I got. You just roll them up after you scoop it out like that. This recipe has no baking soda, just flour, sugar, butter, and flavoring. No salt, no nothing else. Just a nice little cookie. They'll go in the oven, a 350 oven, for about 10 minutes or so, maybe 15 minutes, until they just get brown around the edges. You know, they don't get too brown. So they just get brown around the edges. And then that's that with them. They are done. So after I've rolled them all up, I got 4 more to do. Like 21 cookies it looks like. Okay, so you guys saw me roll it out, and now what I'm going to do is squish it a little bit with something like a glass. I'll just push them down. These cookies don't spread that much because they really don't have anything else in it, so they don't really spread that much. You will enjoy them. I think I have 21 cookies here. That's a good amount of cookies, especially for only using some flour and some butter and sugar. Again, stuff you have in your house. You can do it at any time you feel like doing it. Of course, it's cheaper than any Oreos or anything you might want to buy in a store. And you know what's in it because you made it. And they're delicious. And they last weeks. If you put it in an airtight container, they last for weeks. So you got cookies and you made them yourself. And they taste really good. And you'll be proud. You're the last one. And I can arrange them so they'll be in here. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to get them all together over here so they can all bake together in one place. I don't want them all over the place. So we'll do just like that for them. And give them a little bit of room. And here they go. Very nice. So I'm going to stick them in the oven and 350, probably about 15 minutes until they get brown around the side, and I'll let you see what they look like. I will not be eating them because they need to sit, but I will let you know what they look like when I'm done. Okay, see you in about 15 minutes. Okay, I'm back. My cookies are out of the oven. They have been in the oven for about 20 minutes. They just a little brown around the edges. That's all you want to do. They don't get real brown, as I said. And they have to cool. So I can't touch them until they cool. They got to cool a good 30-40 minutes to really get them cooled off. So I won't be showing you that to eat this, and they'll even be better tomorrow. So I really kind of like to let them sit till tomorrow. But this is what they look like, and you guys can do this easy. Okay, you don't even need a KitchenAid. You can just use your mixer if you want. It really is not a big deal. You can have some homemade cookies. So people, have some cookies. You know, it's nice and cool around here. If it's getting to be winter around here, and why not make some cookies and just hang out, watch TV, have a good time. Okay, until we can see spring again. All right, everyone. See you guys later. I enjoy you. Mwah. Have a good one.